Loud pipes save lives. Let's talk about it. See, as a biker, most people ain't gonna see us, but if they don't see us, they can definitely hear us. That's number one. Most riders, they actually feel safer filtering when they can hear us. So if we know that the car guys can hear us, then it's actually safer for us. For some riders, it's a bit of a identity thing. Yo, look at my exhaust sounds mad, blah, 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 blah. So sometimes it's a bit of a culture thing to have a loud exhaust, or even a mad, crazy sounding exhaust. I've heard exhausts that sound like a flipping Tyrannosaurus Rex. You get me? Now you got the argument that all it just annoys people. You get me? Just whole heap of noise annoying people. Now some drivers, if they're driving and they hear a loud bike coming up the road, they're gonna get scared and get startled. So that actually could become unsafe. So pay attention. Also, loud pipes, it fuels the argument that bikers are just an absolute nuisance. So bear that in mind, guys. You got the argument that pedestrians, workers, children can get disturbed. So imagine you park your bike in a place where, you know what I mean, there's a lot of neighbours and stuff like that, and you start it up in the middle of the night because you're about to go shop or you're about to go somewhere. Just, yeah, if you got a loud pipe here, you're going to shake the whole neighbourhood. People ain't going to be happy about that. Trust me. Apparently, cities like Birmingham are actually cracking down on noise pollution. So apparently, bikers are going to be the target of that. And in fact, not even just bikers, you know, people in them souped up M3s and all that stuff with them all crazy exhausts. It's going to be a problem, which I think it always has been, because when it comes to MOTs, it might be an issue if your exhaust goes over a certain decibels. Right, so now that we've got that out of the way, we're going to go for a little bit of a ride, maybe a few minutes, 5-10 minutes, and we're going to see, do people more notice us with the loud pipes? What kind of effect does it have on the general public? Okay, let's do it. Right, so let's see. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to pick it up, but I'm going to be looking through the cars, see if we can see in their mirrors, and if they can see me. Well, the big man there that saw me, well, he heard me before he seen me, I think. See if she can hear me. Oh, see, she's see, if it didn't sound like that, she wouldn't have spotted me. Let's have a look. No, not looking there. Let's see how many revs it takes before someone acknowledges that I'm there. How about that? Right. It's a bit of a weird one. How am I going to see? How am I going to detect if I'm seen or heard, sorry? And to be frank, my exhaust is not even that loud either. I know guys that exhaust will shake houses. Yeah, people are telling me I need a louder exhaust on that. Okay, so this person's walking the back to us. Let's see how many. Oh, I didn't know mine at all. Yeah, this lady said, "It's not nice. It's one move, sir." You know, some people are just in a world of their own. You know, both pedestrians and like road users. Oh, my God. Okay family, so that's the end of the video today. Just remember guys, loud pipe save lives in my opinion, but try not to be an absolute idiot with it. So anyway, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn them notifications on because daily content alone we are working on, yes sir. We out.